When designing an object, you can assign it with the properties of another object of the same type, whether it be present in the current project or in another project. So, selecting an object from the Draw menu, for example a window, maybe you need to activate the Default Properties option from the Drawing menu. With the Copy Default function active, a click on the object from which we want to copy the properties allows us to apply them as default for the new object. Inserting the new object, this will have the same characteristics as the selected one. But default object properties can also be acquired from the object used in a different document. If we access the document, we can acquire the default properties of a given object in the same way seen before. We will then be automatically sent back to our current project, where by inserting this same object type, it will have the same features of the selected reference object.